G'day guys, Linda here from JTS 12Volt. Now, we love our Victron gear. We have the 240 volt charger here, and quite often we get asked, only comes with this, how do I attach it to my battery? Now, you can't have every tool DIY as much as you want them all, but you can't have them all. And sometimes the tool is just used for one aspect and nothing else. That's where these ones come into it. So instead of twirling your copper wire and shoving it into the positive and the negative and screwing down, to get the best contact, you're wanting to get ferrules, they're called, or bootlace. Now, can get the tools, can get the kits, but you'll only use them for when you're doing this type of work. We actually sell the cable with the bootlace and a genuine Anderson on them, so as that you can actually just pop them straight in, screw them down, and away you go. So you don't need that extra tool that you're only going to be using every now and then. Now, how do I attach it to my battery? Well, if you got our Power Easy box, that's nice and easy. Goes straight into the in-out on the sides of the box. If you don't have that, then we have you covered again. We've got alligator clips. So then you're clipping your two Andersons together. You've got your bootlace into your Victron unit, and then you've got these to go onto your battery, either your household battery in your caravan, or into, you can even use it on your start battery for your vehicle if you're having problems. So, but yeah, it's a case of we've got you covered in both regards, and your 240 volt charging is not a problem at all. Have a good one. Cheers.